Assalamu alaikum students. I am Awais Ahmed Shakir from Maryland High School, class 8th and 9th. Student, we discuss about the ports of computer. Ports of computer are included in second chapter of computer, and we discuss in detail computer ports. Computer ports are used in the computer as a socket, which means when we connected any system attached to another system, like that printer, camera and any other mouse, keyboard, any other output devices and hardware types are connected to the computer, we can use the ports. In different sense, we can say that all those sockets which is used in the computer system, we can say that these sockets are ports. Now, the basic purpose of the ports is connected the different parts of the computer attached to the system and used in networking. If we want to connect two systems or connecting to each other, so we can connect with the help of ports. For example, this is a computer A. Computer A and computer B. We connect to those two computers, and the connection of between two computers is use a lead and socket. This socket is called the ports. This socket is called the ports. When two systems are connected to each other, if we want to attach a printer, when we attach the printer, the one socket is used for the printer attached to the computer. This socket is called the ports. We can say that in simple words, the connection between two systems or any hardware attached to any other hardware, which socket, which instrument is used is called the ports. Now, we discuss about the types of port. Types of port. First type, types of port. First type is serial port. Serial port. In a serial port, we use a such type of socket and the ability in which convert or transfer the data only one bit. The serial port use as a socket and transfer the data one computer to another computer, hardware to any other hardware, hard disk to any other hard disk to compact disk. Then we use the serial port when we transfer the data only one bits. Serial ports cannot use for the heavy data, and the ranging is above the 1 bits. The data is only 1 bits or below 1 bits. We can use the serial ports. For example, in this instrument we use, this is a common port and used for the keyboard, mouse and any different any other different things are attached to the computer. And the second type is parallel ports. Another type is parallel ports, and the parallel ports is a better than the serial ports. Parallel ports is a better than the serial ports, and the parallel ports is less expensive than the serial ports. The working of the parallel ports is much better than the serial ports, and the speed of the parallel ports is much greater than the serial ports, and the parallel ports, the difference between these ports, we can say that the parallel ports is superior than the serial ports. This is the ability of 8-bit to 25 bits. It can be transfer the data 8-bit to 25 bits, and the use for the parallel ports is line printer. Line printer. And the third type of the ports is USB port. The third type is USB ports. USB ports. The USB ports mean universal serial ports. We can say that if universal serial bus means USB port, this is the modern technology of the ports. Nowadays we use in every system, in mobile, computer, printer, radio, in car, sound system, and the USB port are used in a modern age. It is a very common ports are available in every shops, in every system. It is a simple, no bits are used in it. In the serial ports, this ports is shaped in the form of serial ports in the form of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, and the below pins 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We can say that 12 or 13. 12 or 13 pins are attached in a serial ports. But parallel ports, the structure of the parallel ports is, in parallel ports is 1, 2, 3, 25. In the serial ports, only 12 or 13 pins are attached to the computer. In the parallel ports, 25 pins are attached to the computer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. In a second, only 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. It means in a serial ports 25 bits are attached, 25 pins and in the serial ports and 12 or 30 pins are attached, but in the USB ports, that's why one pin is damaged, any one pin is damaged in both ports, then the ports is not the proper work, not doing the proper work. If any pin is damaged, it means the total serial ports is damaged. It is the biggest problem of these ports, serial ports and parallel ports. If one pin is damaged, then throughout all cable is damaged. We cannot use this pin. After that, in USB ports, USB port is a modern technology in which no pin are used. In the USB port, no pin are used in USB. Only on one chip is used in the USB pin, which are attached to the other. No pin are used and attached to the cable. We can say that USB ports is without pins and serial and parallel ports are used in pin. Students must learn the learn the topic of ports, in which the definition of ports, computer ports, definition of ports. After that, the types of ports, serial ports, parallel ports and USB ports. It is very important question for the point of paper view. Thanks.